In this video, you will see MN99S first coconut obstacle challenge. So let's find out. But before we find out whatever MN99S can pull with this coconut or not, let's take a look at the first test, the coconut pass. Second test, coconut bridge. I tried to get MN99S to go up many times, but it doesn't work. I also removed some coconut shell. Now, I tried using MN99S at normal speed to get rid of this coconut. It was so easy. So it's time for us to see if MN99S can pull this coconut or not. At first, I used normal speed, but it's not working. Maybe the coconut is too heavy, it's hard to pull down. So MN99 cannot. Then I used the high speed and found that MN99S can pull easily. Thanks for watching my video and see you guys in the next video.